What is up, everybody? I'm Walt. I'm back here with another part of the 101, not 101. Why do I keep going on 101? 100 ways to motivate yourself. Here we are, part 33, and this one is to imitate Columbo. Now, I think in my generation and, that kind of area, not many of us know who Columbo is. I mean, that might be a little surprising, maybe not, etc. Okay, but basically he doesn't go super in depth with this one, so it doesn't really matter because what he's describing is that you want to approach situations, think of yourself as this bumbling but interesting kind of questioning private detective. And he's really saying that this is a good idea, that when you ask questions, you really create a relationship and you really strengthen things. So asking questions, first off, is important if you're giving the other person some of the power. So people, I would like to think of it like this. Most people have kind of, if you know about narcissism, if you know about like the self-centered, egotistical idea, most people secretly have that as their prime part of their personality. Now, this is a little surprising, and psychologists are going to say that's not really true, but at the end of the day, a lot of people are more interested in themselves and what they're doing than anything else. That's natural, and that's fine, and that's probably even good in the long run. I can go all day about the story of the baker who wants to, for his own sake, sell bread because he wants to make money. And this other guy, for his own sake, wants to buy bread because then he can, eat and go back to his work. And that both of these people come together out of their own self-interest and together create a better solution in the long run than as if they were forced to help each other in, say, a communist system. That may work for ants, but it doesn't really work for people, at least as of yet, with kind of people are still a little too distrustful and don't work well enough together for something like that to work, at least as of yet. But who knows what the future will hold. Either way, before I'm off track, before I just kind of zoomed off onto a tangent there, I was getting at the point that really the thing here is that when you ask questions, you can give other people power to really answer them and to talk about themselves and things like that. Particularly when you ask questions about things they're doing and what they're interested in. That gets them super excited, and if you compliment them, say good things about them, follow, those methods out of that great book from Dale Carnegie in 1936 there, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Fantastic book. If you haven't read it, definitely check that one out. And really, I think that that's the main point here. When you help others, it feels good to you because your subconscious mind is helping you out, making you feel better, and taking more interest in you, wanting to do more for you. Your subconscious mind will do that. The people around you will want to do that because you show interest in them, and we have this reciprocity system. It really doubles here, or, is way more than doubling because your subconscious mind's now helping you feel really good, and then other people are trying to help you do well, and then so it's all just this cycle of encouragement, happiness, and motivation. But yeah, that's about it for part 33. Hopefully that all made sense. And I will see you guys next time with part 34. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.